What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to replace a Glock trigger shoe. Right here, we're just going to take off this plastic trigger piece, which is actually held in by a pin. It cannot be unscrewed. And we're going to replace it with this. This is a Serpico flat face trigger in gold. And it's held in with a little Allen key, which is right here. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this mat. I use this little thick rubber mat. You don't need a rubber mat necessarily. And we're going to take a punch and a hammer. And there's a little pin right here. There's a little pin right there. You want to punch that pin through the other side to where you can see an indentation. Okay. Okay. Now, you can see right here, if we can get to focus, see there's a little indentation now? Now you can see where the pin is exactly at. Now, we're gonna do the opposite side now, right here. Same thing. We're gonna put right on that indentation, our punch. Now we're gonna punch backwards. Okay. All right, now we're gonna do is punch back this side. A little bit of something. Right around this side. Well, right down spin is my problem. Literally, smack it right out there. You're not yet. Go back to the side. See what that's. There we go. All right. Now you guys can see I got the pin sticking out. Now we're just gonna knock it out the rest of the way. Punch it out. Once we get the pin out, then the easy part. There we go. I was able to pull the pin right out. Now, all we're gonna do is take our new trigger shoe. We're gonna take our Allen key wherever I lost it at. I feel like I launched it somewhere. No, there it is. All right, take our Allen key. We're only gonna take this top one out. And we're not even gonna take it out all the way. What we're gonna do is look down until the screw is not protruding anymore. And then I'm gonna take this, just line it up in there as best as possible. And we're gonna work that screw back in through the hole. We'll see how good. Oh, I got it first try. Now that's it. We're just gonna screw it back in. Nice and tight. Not too tight, don't over tighten it. Just nice and tight with the aluminum. There we go. We got a finished Glock trigger. Now you can have a nice gold looking color. So, I'm gonna keep trying to do some more of these little videos. If you like them, please follow and comment and I will do more. Thanks.